Okay. Alright, dito kami sa Tilly's. We will have breakfast at Tilly's this morning. So we just arrived. And look at the alpacas over there.
They're all
Let's
grown
see.
up. Look at that. Hawakan mo at sabihin ko kung mag-GoPro capture mo siya. GoPro capture. GoPro capture. Wala.
Hindi. Tumitingin sila.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Hello. Hello. Bagong shape. Uy, ayos ah. Mullet cut. Oo, mullet cut. Naka-shave lang nila. Kasi tapos ng winter eh, summer na eh. Kailangan nilang i-shave.
Morning.
Let's go. And now, we're gonna go to Tilly's. Lodging. Check-in.
Meron din pala sila yung lodging dito, no? Camp Lucy. Tilly's, here we go. It was recommended sa may pinanood kaming YouTube video na isang vlogger. So let's try this one. Tilly's. Okay, we're coming. We're at Solaro Estate Winery. So, try namin yung wine dito.
Yeah.
We're planning mag-flight. Looking, no?
Sa spring, meron kami sarili naming wine. Pumunta lang kami dito kasi Italian wine ba sila. Kaya lang, wine lang.
Yeah.
Pumunta tayo sa Pilipinas, yun yung wine.
Yeah. Hindi pa dito yung dito sa may Solaro yung Trattoria restaurant.
Oh yeah. Dito. Restaurant. Punta natin yung barbecue.
Oo nga. Yeah.
Video. Naka-video na siya. Hello. Hello everybody. It's me again, me and my wife Eileen. And ano ba ito?
Morning.
Good morning. Yeah, and
Matagal na kami hindi nakapag-GoPro.
matagal na kami din nakapag-GoPro. I know, right? So I want you to guess where we are right now. Look at that. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Maganda ba yan? Oh, look at that. Kagabi hindi namin nakita na see-through pala yan. So kung ano man yung milagro na ginawa namin kagabi, nakita kami ng mga unggoy sa taas.
Or ng mga owl.
Yeah. Sa bahay, hindi man. Sa bahay, meron kaming owl every morning na kumakanta sa amin. Sa aming bahay. And right now, dito kami, meron din ako nadidinig na owl. Listen. Pakinggan nyo. Oh, diba? Laging may kumakanta sa amin ng mga birds. Sa umaga, may kumakanta sa amin. Doon sa kwarto namin. And hanggang dito pa naman. So, yep. Going back to my first question. You know where we are? You guys know where we are? I bet you don't. Unless you saw something that give away the clue of where we are staying right now. Pero we are in Broken Arrow. Look at that. Broken Arrow. Broken Arrow. GoPro, take picture. Ano nga ba mag-picture ni? Picture ulit. Ying?
Sa settings.
Paano mag-stop ng video feed?
Stop.
GoPro, stop. GoPro, stop. GoPro capture. GoPro capture. GoPro stop recording. Video man. Good morning, guys. Yes, it's me again. It's Jeffrey, and guess where we are right now? By the way, my wife is still in bed, preparing to go eat breakfast. Pero bago kami mag-breakfast, we're just gonna see. Look at this place. Look at this. Isn't this glamorous? Isn't this cool? We have nice. We have a mirror there. And sorry, ang kalat ng gamit namin. Ito yung kama namin. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful. Look at that. See? And look at outside. Did you see that? See? Wow. It's so pretty. We are in Broken Arrow. Broken Arrow Dripping Springs near Austin, Texas, of course. Our beloved hometown. Our beloved state. So we're already prepared actually. We're just ready to go. Pupunta kami. We're gonna have breakfast. Like I said, picture muna kami. Picture muna kami. Maganda dito. Oh wow, so pretty. So pretty. Look. Ang ganda. GoPro stop recording. Ang ganda ng aming area. Well, you know, wherever here in Texas, it's always green. You know, wherever in America, I think the American government gives emphasis and importance on nature and how preserving nature really is good, not only for the people but also for the, you know, in overall health, overall in general welfare of the country. Greens, you keep nature, you preserve it, you protect it from abuses, you know. And look at this, it's so nice. The regulations they put just to make sure that there's a healthy environment for everybody, for the next generation. Oh yan, nagpo-post na yung misis ko. Ganda ng aming glamping. Alright, GoPro, stop recording. Parang naalala ko man yung mga panahon na bumakat kami sa Porote.
Reminiscing ka. Buti na lang di masyado malamig. Kasi nakadress ako. Ngayon pala, dito tayo dumaan. Dito ba tayo dumaan? Ay,
Hindi. Let's explore, guys.
so ito palang number 1. Kaya hindi tayo dumaan dito kahapon. Yeah, I think mas malapit, no? Morning. Punta tayo doon.
Sales office ko yan. May picture. Oh, mas maganda magpa-picture kung may araw. Wow, ganda. So, ito yung sales office nila. This is artificial grass. Ito yung duyan-duyan na pinakita. Ayun. Oh, look at that.
Nice.
Ganda siya.
Picturean mo ko dyan sa duyan.
Grabe. Upo ka.
Hindi, tapos game. Ano? Wait, stop ko muna ha. GoPro, stop recording. Yung dalawa, kunin mo.
Ha?
Yan dalawa, kunin mo. Yay.
Nakachina yung galing oh. Ay,
Hindi, video yan? Oo.
gumagano ako yun. Galing sa ano, galing sa...
Hi!
Selfie. Good ka
Selfie.
naman. Selfie. Selfie tayong dalawa.